Okay, guys, so let's see what is the karmic knot that you have to unlock. There is something about karma. Let's see what is something which is unlocking in your life. It's about your career. So the kind of profession that you want to choose. I'm getting the message. The kind of profession that you want to choose because of money and you feel that that is stable. I think you should not go for that. I don't know, but I think your intuition is already pointing out this to you. You should not go towards something which gives you a sense of promise about stability, that this will become stable, or if you do something, or as people are saying, everything which is conventional, something which people are doing, it's not going to be good for you. You are meant to do something which is actually coming from your heart. You can be a very creative person. What is the promise here? Okay, so you are meant to do something which is quite coming from your heart or your intuition or your heart space, and only then you will be able to handle certain situations in your life. So God is trying to push you towards, like He's telling you to try just once. For once, you must try to use your intuition and use your heart space or your creativity to create something. You should not use something, or you should not go for something which is you should not go for something which feels right to you. Which is from your mind is telling you that this is a conventional way of choosing a career or choosing a partner or choosing something. That is not going to be. I'm telling you, just take a chance, take a risk. Okay, just take a chance, take a risk in your life, and just do something which feels right to you. About your intuition, I'm being told to tell you, whether situation is good or bad, just continue to do your work. Somebody is happy, that's fine. Somebody is sad, that's also fine. But you have to become the queen in a situation, or you have to become like a queen. Somebody can be extremely jealous of you, or somebody is trying to show that you are not good enough, you are good for nothing, but actually that person is so underconfident. That person is already dying from the overconfidence or underconfident issues. So you are already winning the race, you are already done. It's time for you to understand that this is how life is going to work. This is how life is going to work. So there is going to be a test from the universe, like would you be able to stand the storm, and that is the last test. So that test is about choosing yourself, choosing your life, becoming strong once again, and just going after something that you truly believe in. So if you believe that love exists, if you believe that life is beautiful without and with people, if you believe that there is God, there is divine who is always going to give you the justice, your karmas are always good, then I can feel like your life is going to bless you. That is the reading here, but there is something which is still hidden in your career, and you have to unlock that path. This is not for everyone, but it is for the people who are actually getting something like creativity, or let's come to the topic. Okay. Yeah, I can feel like the next month or the next year is going to be very, very blessed for you. But for that, you have to stay committed to your whatever commitments you have done to yourself. Don't just try to run away from a situation. Just stay committed to something that you have already promised to yourself. Maybe your heart is broken about something, or something wrong has happened. I'm telling you, just stay focused. Don't listen to anyone. Try to be focused on your careers. Just see how things are going to manifest. Just go towards something which feels you're very much interested into. Even if you try to run away, divine is going to put you into the right place. You will be given the faith, you will be given the positivity, and this time whoever is your enemy and whoever is trying to do wrong to you, God is going to do something about it. But this time you have to act fearlessly. You have to be fearless. You simply can't operate. And I'm telling you, whoever you are fearing, these people are not even powerful. You're not even fearing people. You are fearing yourself. You fear your potential, because you know your anger is it's very, very, very bad. So actually you are trying to defend some people, but they will not be defended, because whoever has done whatever against you, these people will be unmasked. You have already unmasked some people, but now if something is going to happen, you will understand how people behave when they are scared of something. But now let's see what is the guidance. The guidance in a situation is to do not back down. Somebody is trying to crush your heart under their feet, and this person is a psycho, like they have psychological issues. That's why nobody is trying to actually say anything about it. But this person, and about your life, there is going to be some biggest, like God is gonna do something about the situation. There will be judgments, but you stay committed to your commitments. Whatever commitments you have made to yourself, or whatever you have done till now, just stay committed. God is gonna be there to protect your peace and all. But even if you have said something or done something against someone, or you stood against someone, and that something has actually made you feel like you're very little, all your struggles, all your pains are going to, like, you will be rewarded for something that you're doing. I'm telling you, the justice is just around the corner. You will be rewarded, and this time is very difficult, I can understand, but next year or February, January is going to be very significant. But I'm just telling you, stay committed to your path. Maybe something is changing, but I would still say that you have to be very much committed about the work that you have to do. Even if the social media or something, that your heart is calling out for something, like, then listen to your heart. You are a person who is always going to listen to your heart, and you are going to take risks, and you will be successful. So you should not go after something which too much is rigid. You are getting into a new avatara, which is about you are trusting your heart space. So this time I feel like you are getting yourself back, you're getting your faith back, and this time you're not going to trust anybody. Like, you're not trusting anyone. Nobody's gonna fight with you. Nobody's gonna resist anything in your life. Your heart is gonna lead you towards a situation where you are not restricted anymore. You're just free. You're doing something freely. You are expressing yourself, and you are happy the way you are. You are not trying to please people. You're not trying to show them, look, I'm so damn gorgeous and I'm damn beautiful. You're not doing such things. You're simply living your life, and you're just trying to be happy as much as possible. That is the real guidance I'm getting, okay? So stop being the shoulder for anyone. Like, you are not meant to be a shoulder for people, and try to see yourself as somebody who is extremely powerful. But I think the truth will be revealed to you. There will be a truth which will be revealed to you.